Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. We are almost done with our 3D modeling and now it's time for rendering, but before that we have to apply some materials to have a realistic or a better visualization. So first we will access the file which was saved in the last lecture, lecture number 17. Make sure you are in realistic mode. You can turn on the 3D display performance and you can also make sure to turn on hardware acceleration because when we will be doing our rendering work, it would be pretty helpful. You can find it here as graphics performance and then you can access it like this. Make sure it is turned on. You can use 3D display settings, advanced material effects, full shadow display and so on. Now you will learn a new command that is mat and it will open a material browser. From here you can access the complete Autodesk library of materials. Here you can see we have ceramics, different ceramics are here, then we have concrete, default, fabric, here is wood, so there is a huge range. From here we will be selecting things one by one and then applying it by simply drag and drop. So for the wall paint we can choose any of these paints. There is a huge variety and very nice colors. Let's choose this white matte or white glossy and place it here. This is the benefit of union. We don't have to apply one by one. Here we can go for this stone and we can apply any stone on this base entrance. Say this river stone for the boundary and we can use few more libraries like let's go through these floorings. In flooring we can find this checker plate. We can apply it here. Then we have this area, so we can go for something else like this one. Let's see what we have here. Let's apply this one. Now here we have metallic paint. There is a huge range of different metallic paints. Let's randomly choose one and apply on the pillar just to have a glossy look. And we can choose blocks from concrete just for fun. We even have tiles and glass and mirrors. And for roofing, we can choose something from here. Like there are some Spanish tiles. So we can apply this tile here. And the brown ones here. Then we have this glass. So we can use them on the windows. We can use dark blue. Seems pretty nice. We can use simple drag and drop and apply like this. No difficult procedures here. Another dark blue, here we go. Same goes for these two, and then there is one on the other side. Here is the other window. Let's drag and drop. Easy. and there is one right there. Apart from the glass, there is the frame as well. So we can look for something that could be for the frame. We can even apply some wooden touch to the frame. Let's use this one for the doors. So there is exhaust. So let's give it this gypsum board. Here we have list for the wood, and the black is fine. This is the list of plastics. So black plastic has been used for now. It is coarse textured. I'm applying these materials randomly just to have a differentiation between the exhaust and the walls and other things. There is no hard and fast rule to use any specific material. You can use anything that you like, or if you're going for a realistic real-time project, you can use the material that is available with you. For instance, if you're going for a window, then you have to look for a specific material that frame would be used or you're planning for. For now, I'm just trying to give a nice color, so I'm using it just for coloring. The main reason behind it is that you learn the process. The things I'm doing it doesn't matter. The process is what which is of most significance. So here we have this masonite pegboard. I've used it because it seemed fine to me. There is no hard and fast rule to use it. Maybe this material is not available even in the frames. So no need to go for these things if we are going for a realistic real-time project. Then you can look for the market, what materials are available, and then simply take those. Now I think so far all the things have been assigned a different material, a different color, so we can simply call it a day. Before that, we have to save the file as lecture number 18 because we were doing these changes in lecture number 17 file. And once the file is saved, we can close it from here. Now you can see the file has been saved on the desktop, and that means we are done for now. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.